I am so excited because today we are going to be unboxing the Kodak Memo Shot Era. It is an instant camera and photo printer all in one. I ordered this a while ago. It got lost, finally found its way back to me in the mail. Then I did some travel, I was gone, and now I'm excited to dig into this. This is not sponsored. I tried to get it sponsored. I tried to reach out to them to see if I could get one to review for all of our travel journaling and junk journaling. And of course, my email went out into space and was never recovered by anyone from Kodak. So I just went out and I bought one because I am a strong, independent woman and I don't need to be sponsored to buy the things that I want to buy. But I have been seeing ads for these everywhere, and it's a lot different than like my favorite photo printers, which are the Canon Selfie and the Instax printer, which are printing color photos. This, it's like a thermal print, almost like a black and white print that comes directly from the camera itself. So let's unbox this together and see what all the fuss is about. And if this is like a cool printer to have, if you are using the Wanderlust Passport or if you're doing any sort of junk journaling, but let's dig in. Okay, here looks like this is the actual camera. It looks like a battery, or it's supposed to look like a roll of film, I think, but it sort of looks like a Duracell battery. So that. And this is the paper. It shows that paper color is white. I guess there were options and I just don't remember. This is actually what I was most worried about because I live in Palm Springs and it got lost and I think it went into the wrong mailbox and it sat there for a while. It's really hot here, and if this is really like a thermal paper, it's, whoa, is all of this paper? One? Whoa, it came with 9 of these? Anyways, as I was saying, if it acts like a thermal paper, I was worried that it would turn black. Wow. Does it say how much is in each roll? But that seems like a lot of film paper. I mean, I got 9 of these? Okay. This has a nice little pull tab, which I appreciate. Some pretty basic instructions that I won't read. Oh, wait a damn minute. This is cute. This is so cute. Whoa, there's the camera lens. And there's like, there's like a little mirror so you can center yourself if you're doing a selfie. That's really cool. It has a 3.7 millimeter f2.8 lens. I don't know what any of that means because I'm not here to do that kind of review. I want to know, is this going to be cool for my travel journal? There's a thing in here already. Dang, that came with a lot of paper. Okay, I'm going to assume that's ready to go and loaded. Take that off. Let's turn this on and see if it turns on. Oh, it works. Wait, it says no film, but there's one in there. Do I have to do something? I guess I maybe should read the instructions. Okay. So open this. Okay. Now, you can see it's got a view there. There's a shutter button up top. I have a print button. What does this do? Okay, I like Bluetooth. So let's take a picture and see what happens. Okay, so I got one still photo, and if I hit print, oh, it's doing something. It's doing something. What? Oh my gosh. Wait. I love that. That's really cool. This is really cool. It's sort of like, I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to peel this off and let me open my travelers here for a sec. I'll just open to this blank page. So it's sort of like a glossy paper. It doesn't feel like thermal paper, so I was wrong about that. When I say thermal paper, I'm talking like when you get like receipts and stuff. I don't even begin to know how to explain the tech of the specs and all that stuff, because that's not why people watch my stuff. But that is really cool. I'm really excited about this. Okay, so there's clearly the camera function. I'm wondering if I can use it like as a printer. If I Bluetooth it, will it print from my camera roll? We're gonna find that out next. But first, I wanna go back and let's see if we can get like a cool selfie. I'm gonna use this mirror feature and see if it will take a picture of me. Let's see if it'll take a picture of us. So I took a photo. There it is. There we are. And I'm gonna hit print. It's making noise and it's printing. This is pretty darn cool. Will it replace my Instax printer or my Canon Selfie? Absolutely not. But is this not super fun to have? Yeah, it is. And I can't wait to take this to our sketchbook journaling meetups because I feel like this is going to be a lot of fun. And now, knowing how this prints, like this is, I don't know how much is in here. I got to figure that out. This is a lot of paper. Like, you could just do really cool stuff. Like, so instead of it being of like a certain subject, maybe you can get like textures. Like, let me get this photograph of this flower. So here, I took a picture of this disco ball. So now it's just like texture. Let's see what happens when I print. So it handles like the bright spots pretty poorly. I don't know if I can adjust any of that contrast, but like, that's pretty damn cool. So let's see what some of these settings are. Hit that button. Again, maybe I should like sort of read this. Okay, so it looks like there is an app function that I can print from my phone. Should we give that a try? Do I have to download the app first? Let's download this app. Where did that thing go? Well, while that's downloading, let's just take a closer, oh gosh, that's already downloaded. Okay, just kidding. Welcome, thanks for choosing Kodak Memo.
One eternity later.
Okay, Let's get this photo of Wilma. Oh my gosh. That is crazy easy. Ah! Oh my God, and it kind of knew which orientation to print in. That's kind of cool. I mean, is it the best print quality? Absolutely not. It's like kind of streaky and it's like a bad newspaper, but it's still cool and it's still a vibe. And you know, I don't hate it. So I'll link to this product with the bundle that comes with all of this film. And if you end up getting it, let me know your thoughts, because this is a fun little thing. I got to go back and double check what I paid for it, but I'll put it in the show notes, or I'll add it to the thing. The Canon Memo Shot Era. Very cool. Very cool.